San Diego is known for two things: stunning weather and beautiful beaches, but it is also the ice cream capital of America. It has the most ice cream shops per density per person. We're visiting America's top ice cream shop that's been on the list for 2 consecutive years, and we're indulging our faces in ice cream. Like, I don't even know what that is, but it just sounds so good. And we're visiting an art gallery that also doubles as an ice cream shop. Like, have you ever been to something like that before? And they're also serving Mexican-inspired ice cream. Also, what are you waiting for? Let's go eat. We are at Stella Jeans in University Heights, and it's also next to Pot Pie. And if you've never been to Pot Pie, their pies, cookies, everything is so freaking delicious. But we ordered their yuzu citrus poppy seed cake, and it's one of their seasonal flavors, their summer seasonal flavors. I had to try their yuzu because if you've never had yuzu, it is so fresh, bright, and citrusy. But cheers, y'all. It is milky, it is creamy, it definitely has like a brightness. It's like poppy seeds, so you get like that bite. Like, you know when you like eat something a little crunchy, just like explodes in your mouth. So yuzu it's very citrus forward. It is an Asian lemon, not as tangy, but slightly sweet with like a hint of acidity to it. The flavor is not too tart, and it reminds me of like a lemon pound cake. The next one is the strawberry oat crumble. It is also vegan and it is gluten-free, but this is also one of their core ice creams, so it's always going to be here. And it's a little hot today, so it's a little melty. Oh wow, I'm definitely picking up the strawberry flavor. It is milky, creamy, smooth, and there's like bits of like that crumble. It's not too soft or soggy. It still has like a slight crunch to it. Both ice creams have a very bright flavor to it, especially the strawberry. This is so good. But if you ever had fresas con leche or strawberries and cream, this is what it reminds me of. And for being vegan and gluten-free, it still has that milky and soft texture, just like regular ice cream. So you're not gonna be feeling left out. So this isn't on the Stella Jeans menu, but it's right next door to Pot Pie. But I've had their ube pie, and with ice cream, I was sold. And you get a whole slice of pie with ice cream, with Stella Jeans ice cream, and we got that ube pies cream, and this just looks so good. So it has old-fashioned oat crumble drizzled with caramel, with their ube pan de sal ice cream, with their ube pie topped with whipped cream. Oh wow. And then the ube ice cream has like this beautiful, bright, vibrant color. Cheers. Wow. The ube isn't overly sweet, and then the bits and pieces of like the oat crumble, it's crunchy, and the ube ice cream has like a slight cheesecake texture. And if you're a fan of cheesecake and ube, this is definitely for you. And I haven't even gotten to the slice of pie yet because it is topped with lots of ube ice cream. I gotta go in. Oh, I got a piece of their crust. I love their crust because it is flaky, it is buttery, and it's crunchy, and it's not soggy. They have like the perfect crust. Finally, I got some slice of the ube pie. The ube pie has a subtle starchy sweetness, and it also has young coconut, so it's slices of coconut. So these bits are like crunchy, and I'm so sad that this is a seasonal pie. So we're at Adams Dry Cleaning in North Park, and this place has been #1 best ice cream shop for 2 consecutive years, and there is a reason why. As soon as you enter the shop, you do an automatic flight, which is you go through all of their flavors, and they change every 2 weeks. So they take you through all of their flavors, and it's just like this crazy change of like different variation of flavors. So they start with like the light, so fruity, and it's just building up the flavors and textures, and they always end it with a chocolate. We got their LED and then their Bluetooth. So they first start you off with their guava, which their fruit flavor is, and this is very like light, bright, citrus forward. You definitely have the taste like the guava flavor. And the next one is LED. So it's made with coconut and blue spirulina. It is very coconut forward, and the spirulina, I don't know how to describe that flavor. And it's just there for color, and it's very creamy, light, not very sweet at all. Ooh, this is like super melty. Okay, so the next flavor we got is matcha, or it's called Obi, and this is like a cookies and cream. It's the cupola. Oh my god, it is very chocolate forward. So you're getting like that rich dark chocolate flavor. You're getting chunks of like cookie and brownie. It's crunchy and it is so good. And then the next one is Obi, which is made with matcha and white chocolate. It is very matcha forward, slight earthiness that you get from matcha. And it's local matcha, so they're getting it from Peru. They're located in La Jolla, so if you've never been to Peru, definitely check that place out. They sell matcha from Japan, they sell teas. It is just like matcha tea heaven. And I'm glad that they're locally sourcing their matcha because it's all about community and supporting one another in San Diego. For our last stop, we're at Neveria Los Mochis. That's scooping up Mexican-style ice cream and sorbet, and in the heart of Barrio Logan. And it also shares a space with an art gallery exhibiting work of several neighborhood and local artists. But we got their gansito sundae, and it is sandwiched between vanilla ice cream, chocolate, and strawberries. And this is their take on a banana split. And when I saw gansito, I was like, yes, I gotta have it. And if you've never had a gansito, it's pretty much like a Mexican Twinkie, but it has strawberry jam, it is filled with cream, and it is dipped in chocolate, and it's like the most delicious thing you can ever have. So we're trying it as a sundae, and it is topped with the classic sprinkles with a nice cherry on top. I'm excited, you guys. Okay. Oh my God. The vanilla, it is not your traditional vanilla flavor. It is made with Mexican vanilla, and Mexican vanilla has a woodsy and spicy sweet flavor similar to clove and nutmeg. Oh my God, strawberry is so good. Definitely using fresh strawberries because it does not have that fake strawberry aftertaste. That is so good. Try some of their chocolate. You know what, let me just try to get like a slice of like the gansito in here because there is that strawberry flavor that you get from the gansito. So with the strawberry jam and then the strawberry ice cream, perfection. I love that their ice cream is like slightly icy but creamy. That was a very fun little ice cream tour. From going to University Hills and having their ice cream with ube ice cream and an ube pie smashed in between delicious ice cream, and then from having Anne's dry cleaning and going through like the flavors of, I don't even know, different ice cream flavors from like sorbet to savory, and it's just like a transition, and to having classic Mexican ice cream flavors in Barrio Logan. There is a little bit of something for everyone. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you on the other side of the table. Bye.